By the way, I sent you a pic. Don't? Don't, useless chest? No, you asked. Then don't say girls can't burp, because we can. That was not. You want to hear another one?
Terrorists win.
You want to hear me fart? I am.